Hi, welcome to KETO Lifestyle. My name is Alan Nilsson, or Magnus, as I also say a lot of times. So, welcome. What we will do in this group is to discuss and learn much more about keto. I've been doing food nutrition for about the last 10 years. I've been into Herbalife for many years. I've been into what to eat for a real food without chemicals. And now lately, keto. Keto is a trend right now. It's growing rapidly all over the world. And of course, I got interested in this and began to study it and see what it's really about. And I'm convinced that you can get a very nice body, you can get a very good health, you can reduce your weight, and so much more. So when you come into our group, you will learn all these things. And together we will discuss and have a community which will be prosperous. We will have a lot of different challenges. We will have offers. We will have a lot of different things which you can gain a lot from. So my advice to you now, if you want to know much more about keto and also to get a healthy life, a very healthy life, we will discuss keto and everything around it to make it much more prosperous for yourself. So benefit from this group and join us, and I'll see you inside. Bye now.